Hi everyone. Today, we're going to build a simple smart calculator using VB.NET Windows Form. And yes, it can handle real math expressions with proper operator precedence. Let me show you a quick example. 2 plus 2 times 4 equals 10. Another one. 6 times 6 divided by 2 equals 18. Pretty cool, right? It's easy to create. I will walk you through the entire process step by step. So be sure to watch until the end to avoid missing any important details. But before we start, welcome to Codev Tips, your ultimate destination for programming tutorials and all things code related. If you're passionate about learning to code or improving your programming skills, you're in the right place. But before we dive into today's programming tutorial, I'd like to invite you to become a part of our growing community. If you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll gain access to a wealth of programming knowledge and stay updated with the latest tutorials we release. So, go ahead and subscribe now, and let's get coding. Let's get started. Open Visual Studio. Create a new Windows Form application using VB.NET. And name it Smart Calculator. This will set up the environment for our project. Click OK. Next, let's design the calculator user interface. Add a text box at the top to serve as a display. Set it to read only, and align the text to the right, just like a real calculator display. Change the font and size of the text box according to your preference. Below the display, add buttons for numbers 0 to 9, operators, plus, minus, times, and divide, a clear button, a decimal point, and an equal button. Arrange the buttons like a real calculator layout. Name them accordingly, for example, for number 1, BTN1, for number 2, BTN2, for number 3, BTN3, and so on. For add, BTN add, for minus, BTN sub, for times, BTN mul, and for divide, BTN div. For clear, BTN clear, for decimal point, BTN dot, for equal, BTN equal. Once you are done designing, double-click the form to switch to the code view where we will write the logic. At the top of your form class, declare a global variable to store the input. Dim input as string equals empty string. Now, let's handle the button clicks. Copy and paste the following code to respond to all number and operator button presses. Oops, we forgot to rename the text box. Go back to the design view and rename it to TXT display. Next, we will make the equal button perform the calculation. Go back to the form designer. Double-click the equal button, and paste the code inside the click event. Wait a moment, I will adjust the code window so you can see the entire code. Feel free to pause the video to copy it. This part uses a hidden gem, datatable.compute, to evaluate the entire expression just like Excel does, and then shows the result in the display. Lastly, we will handle the clear button to reset everything. Go back to the designer, double-click the clear button, and paste this code. And that's it. It's time to run the app to test if the calculator works as expected. But before we do that, once again, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up to support the channel. Alright, now let's run the calculator to see it in action. Let's try 2 plus 2 times 4. It is equal to 10. Next, 6 times 6 divided by 2 equals 18. We are done. We have successfully finished building our smart calculator. I hope this tutorial helped you and that you were able to create it on your end as well. If you have questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next videos.